It's Marsaba Monastery. So the terrain of Wadi Kelt or the Judean Hills and Mountains here in the eastern part of Bethlehem. Ayan. So si Marsaba, no, alamin natin bakit nga ba ni Marsaba tinayo itong monastery dito. So later, you will going to discover why Marsaba built this monastery in the middle of
Wow,
the
ganda.
desert in the wilderness. Napakatalim yung sobra, no? Mahirapan niyo pa tayong pumunta rito.
Marsaba.
So actually, during winter, it's more beautiful.
Delikado ang daan niya.
Geography or the mountains. Why? Because almost of the mountains were green. But right now, it's summer. That's why all the weeds, the soil are color brown. Ika nga, nagpalit din siya ng panahon. Parang ika nga, panahon ng matamis pa, biglang lumamig. Everyone is allowed, especially the girls. Boys, you are allowed to go inside the monastery, but will not go inside because it's still closed right now. So what happened in the area or the vicinity, wherein you can take the best view of the location and the best picture that you can take. So don't try the certificates na over here. So tayo mga lalaki, I know boys, you are only allowed to have to accompany the girls. So don't tell me they're not boys. What can we do? So we're going to discover the story behind this monastery, especially this wonderful